Hello everyone, today we are going to go over advanced emailing in DialMyCalls. To set up advanced emailing, click on Tools and then Advanced Emailing. You will now need to select your plan and purchase it to begin the setup process. Once you have selected your plan, you now need to activate your email. You must own your own email domain and have access to it to set this up. We recommend having your IT department set this up for you if you are not familiar with it. Click on Add a new sender to add in your email domain. Click Activate and follow the steps to add your domain to DialMyCalls. Once you've activated your email, you are now able to send out email broadcasts from your own domain using DialMyCalls. Create and save templates to quickly and easily send out an email broadcast to all of your contacts. Click on Email Attachments to manage any uploaded images or documents that you will be sending via email. To send an email broadcast, click on Broadcast and then New Broadcast. From there, select Email and click Next. Now you will want to select the contacts that will be receiving your email and click Next. If you're wanting to use a template, select it from the dropdown. Otherwise, select your email address and then type your subject and message that you will want to send. Click Add Attachment if you'd like to add any images into your email. Click Next to continue. You will now choose if you want your email broadcast to go out immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Click Next and then make sure the email broadcast looks good and click Confirm and Send. That's it. You've just set up an advanced email broadcast. That wraps up our video on advanced emailing in DialMyCalls. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.